Being pushed the most in the group and criticized for the ugliest in K-pop history, has missed 50 auditions before the debut. Jui is the second most popular member of Momoland since the group's popularity, thanks to the hit song Boom Boom. At that time, her appearance was controversial, even being criticized as the ugliest female idol in K-pop history. However, Jui conquered the audience thanks to her funny personality and positive energy when performing. Jui's talent is also highly appreciated. She also takes the role of the lead vocal, lead dance, and lead rapper in the group. Jui is strongly pushed by the company. She is often starred in commercials or on variety shows. Over time, she becomes more and more beautiful. But few people know that Jui has to go through a very difficult time before getting her current position. In a recent interview, the Momoland member revealed the number of auditions she failed before joining MLD Entertainment. According to Jui, she always wanted to become a singer. To fulfill her dream, the 1999-born female idol joined vocal and dance training academies since she was in middle school, although these places are far from home. At that time, Jui lived in Yongpyong City, and every day she traveled 4 hours to Seoul to study. As a middle schooler, Jui says she attended every single audition she could find in the hopes of joining a K-pop agency. But sadly, despite her immense talent, she revealed that she was rejected from all of them. While it's normal for idols to face a few rejections from their journeys, the interviewer was shocked to learn that Jui was rejected from a staggering 50 auditions through middle and high school. When Jui was asked if she felt devastated about being rejected so much, the female idol said that it didn't really affect her. Even so, Jui felt angry because she had tried so hard. She even thought she was good at performing. Moreover, the selection staff always praised Momoland members with all their words. Jui said, "I just thought maybe we just have different styles, but they always gave me some positive feedback. You are so bright and talented," they said. "Why didn't they sign me then? I didn't think that. That was pretty upsetting. Why won't you sign me then?" Fortunately for Jui and her fans, luck finally came to her. After graduating from middle school, Jui applied to Hanlim Multi-Art School, one of the most renowned education institutions for aspiring entertainers in Korea. Hanlim Multi-Art School's impressive alumni list include Red Velvet Suyari, several TWICE members, Astros Cha Yun-woo, Ong Sun-woo, and many more. Although Jui entered Hanlim, she still had to travel 4 hours from home to school because she had no agency and dormitory. She also revealed that she had plastic surgery on her nose during this time. It can be seen that Jui went through many hardships during her teenage years, but her efforts have paid off in the future. After starting high school, she attended an audition for MLD Entertainment. Jui explained that she got there an hour earlier but couldn't find anywhere to practice, so she ended up singing by herself and practicing her dance in the parking lot. It may have been an unorthodox preparation technique, but it worked. At the audition, the MLD Entertainment casting directors saw how talented she really was. Closing her arduous audition journey, Jui finally commented, "That was the one I got accepted to, like destiny."